Hi YouTube family, welcome back to One Channel 1 again. Hope all you are doing well. Today I am showing you how to copy files and folders name into Excel. In our day-to-day work, we deal with so many files and folder in our routine, and if we want to copy multiple files or folder names in Excel, it will be hard for us to do that job, as it will be taking couple of hours or days to finish that work while we copy and paste one by one. However, in today's video I will show you how to copy files and folder name to Excel with the help of command prompt, and another way by using the Explorer. But before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red color subscribe button given at the below of this video, and also click the bell icon for the daily new videos, so you never miss any updates about my videos. Also guys, if you want any particular videos to be made, please let me know in the comment section below and I will make that video for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give your comments as well, and like and share this video with your friends. And if you have any queries regarding this, please feel free to contact me and I will pleased to help you. Before wasting any further time, let me show you how to copy files and folder name into Excel. Okay, so the first method that we'll be using is Explorer. So this is the sample folder I created as a test folder, and there are 21 items at the moment on the test folder. If I want to copy and paste this folder, what can I do is I just need to click on this path, copy that path, open Chrome, click on new tab and paste that path into this and press enter. Once you press the enter, it will index the drive, the path that we copy it. The Chrome will index that part. So what you need to do is simply just you have to click Ctrl A, it will select all, then press Ctrl C, it will copy it, open the Excel file, simply right click, paste special, and values. In values, you just have to select Unicode text, or you can use a text as well, whichever you comfortable with. So I will be choosing Unicode text. Click OK. So once you click OK, you can see that all the folders names are here. I can simply have the list on my Excel by clicking this. There is only one issue in this, that this slash backspace given on each and everything. What I can do to remove it, simply select the information, the name, then click Ctrl F, go to replace, put backspace, and in replace with you don't have to put anything, and press replace all. Once you did it, all the backspaces that we have just vanish, it goes. So what can we do is we just have to remove this too, and we have our list ready in Excel within a couple of minutes. So this is the first trick that you can use. The another trick that you can use is command prompt. So you just have to go to CMD, open the command, then you just have to come to only C drive. Then what you have to do is go to this, select only from user, because this is the desktop where I put all the files. So already I selected C drive. I just have to want this information, user, in that Ashraf Khan, my username, in that desktop folder, in that test folder. Okay, once you copy that, go to CMD again, write CD space from and paste the path that we selected, then press enter. So the path got selected on command prompt. Simply type dir directory, press enter, all the list will pop up here. Okay, so what you have to do is simply right click on this box. There is an option called mark. Click on it, select the information that you want. This much information I want. Okay, so I am selecting that. Once it is got selected, you don't have to copy it, you just have to press enter, so it will get automatically copy. Once it is copied, you just have to simply paste it here. See, it's a simple thing that you can use. This is the two ways you can use or to copy the files, folder name from a desktop, G drive, E drive, any of the drives that you keep any information you want in the Excel. You can use this two methods to copy all the information across to your Excel from a folder. This way you can, this is a simple trick that you can use in your day-to-day life. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, colleagues, so they can utilize this information in their day-to-day lives. And thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. Shabakar.